Healthcare center in Kuusankoski, Kouvola. This is a big elevator. Also hydraulic.
Yeah. That's boring.
Yeah.
Good installing. Practice quality. Or Suomen Hissiurakointi or something.
Oh. Oh, this is unusual. Oh.
In 1985.
Modernized in 2005.
0151 from 1935.
Unnecessary modernization.
Suomen Hissiurakointi.
It's good nice.
You want to say information on generic panel.
Headlights up when the door is opening. Yeah, I know.
How much rice we taking?
And two.
Yes. Also, we can take 2 rides. Did they have the first one on that side? I think. Maybe.
No,
Okay.
I think it's just basement.
Okay. Oh. Yeah, basement.
Yes. It works. Emergency up there. And there's the after.
The indicator is very boring.
Yeah.
Yes, of course. But has other that font on it.
But luckily it's red, not white for anything.
Yeah.
Yep. Where we can enter video.
I guess you second floor.
Yeah.
Yes, we can enter second floor.
Yours goes good fast.
Yes. It goes fast.
Have a tape.
Put a tape in front of the light curtain or something.
And this generic lock door open button lights up when doors open.
Yeah. Yes, of course they are that.
It's quite nice thing actually.
Yep. Just a bit closer in a second. There it goes, and that's it.
That's it.